I am so excited to be sharing this Eichler with you today. This one has some really cool original features, and then they've also really maximized space. The first thing that we see is that it's a carport and an atrium model. Then they have taken advantage of the front yard, and you can see that they've enclosed this space over here. Let's take a closer look. We're not even inside the house yet, and we're seeing a feature that they have added for us. Coming in past the glass, this is just the money shot. Beautiful atrium. In this one, they have put up some shade sails that run on a track. And that really makes this, first of all, a little bit more intimate, and second of all, offers really nice shade. And here we have a Japanese maple that's just fully mature that is offering a little bit of a canopy in here and really softens it up. For this tour, let's start with the family room. So great. Look at the original mahogany. That's not all. Wait until you see it. This is almost, I would say this is 90% original kitchen, which is absolutely astounding. I know that you've seen these kitchen cupboards before in a few of the Eichlers and in a few of the Eichler garages, but here they are, live and in person in the wild. So Eichler built this part is the pantry, and it is actually a little bit deeper than it looks at first inspection. And then here's the sliding doors, and you can tell that these are original because they had these little dents, these little indentations, and not knobs. They've gone ahead and left the washing and drying station where it is with the original cupboards above. Of course, these are not the original washer and dryer. New fridge. The rest of the kitchen might be original. Look at that. That is probably the original stove in place. And the original uppers. Here we have the place where sometimes these were built with a swinging indoor-outdoor door. Not indoor-outdoor, but back and forth, either way. And then into the dining room. And here's a full view of the dining room. Moving to the living room. Let's start over here so that we get the full glory of walking in as if we were a guest. So here is the living room with the naked fireplace. So good. This wall is painted, but they've done such a nice job with this kind of warm, rich wood tone color. And then this really gives a sense of the open space. And all the original mahogany paneling and the globe lights are all still here and in really good shape. I just find this so exciting. I had a quick look at the glass, and it appears to be double paned. So at some point they have replaced at least some of this glass, and that is a major undertaking. Bravo. Let's go this way to where the living quarters are. This room is just striking with the view to another Japanese maple out here. These are slow growing trees that do really well in this climate, and they're so beautiful. So you have a mature one right there. And here is an original primary suite for Eichler. So let's have a look. In here, the original under sink cabinet, and then they've updated it with an updated vanity. And here's me in the updated vanity. Then we have the original Eichler closet, which is walk-in with the two rods and then like a pants hanger and the shelves. And then here is the perfect example of the primary ensuite. You have the toilet and the shower, which has been redone, but they maintained a tiny step down. I am gonna guess that they did a static treatment and resurfaced the tile in here. And back out the primary suite and down the hall, we have the original sliding door Eichler closets. And in this one, we have the full-length lenticular glass. So the light comes through from the atrium, but you can't view it. We have my favorite room, so we'll save that for last. Then let's look at the hall bath and the 2 other bedrooms. So here's one of the bedrooms. And the hall bath, which has been most graciously updated. And another bedroom. And they refinished the ceilings in here too, so they're very, very nice. And those are the original doors to the closet. And we have a hall closet here. Then my favorite room. This one is staged as an office, as it so often is. So there's light coming in from this up on this side. That's the street side. And then you turn around and this whole wall of glass. So you have the upper window, which is stationary, and then the sliding glass doors. So from this one room, you can see through to the living room, partial view of the dining room. You just catch the corner of the kitchen and you can see all the way out to the backyard. The epitome of an Eichler garage. Still in use and very much a working garage. I am looking for a pencil sharpener, my friends. I don't see one. Oh, look at that. Garages are always a great place to find more of the story of the owner. That's why I'm always looking for pencil sharpeners. And in this case, we have what appears to be an original construction site location placard. Just imagine when this house was purchased and the original owner moved in and went outside and captured this very practical industrial sign and brought it inside, keeping it as a memento. So, let's go check the backyard out. And as if we live here, it's time to water the grass. This backyard is fantastic because what it represents is an excellent combination of hardscape and softscape. So we have an eating area with a patio surface that's already been done. I think this is pavers. A little bit of a wall. You could sit on that as well. Then you have grass space for pets and kids. And then just a little bit more hardscape. And you can see that the trees are mature. And so you do have some privacy and enclosure. And then you get this really nice view of the post and beam construction and the architectural lines from out here. So satisfying. Let's just continue the tour around here so that you get a sense of the way that they've maximized the field for all of this. So traveling down this path, they removed all the gates. And so you really have open access to the front patio area with the fire pit and the chairs out there. So what do you think of this? Can you picture yourself in this atrium? Thanks for coming along on the tour. If you have any questions, drop me a line. Let's have a conversation.